Hi my dear children, very good afternoon to you all. Welcome to our moral online class. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great and safe. Yes? Okay my dear children, do you remember me? Do you remember my name? Then tell me whom I am. Yes, I am your moral miss. Tell me what's my name? Yes, Adeline. Okay, my dear children, how is your holidays? You all enjoyed well, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, my dear children, have you all finished your lunch? Yes. Shall we move for our lesson? Yes. Okay, very good, my dear children. Let's start our lesson today. My dear children, today we gonna learn our sixth lesson. We gonna learn our sixth lesson. The title is A Shirt for Bapu. A Shirt for Bapu. My dear good children, tell me what's the title for our lesson? Yes, A Shirt for Bapu. A Shirt for Bapu. Can anyone guess who is this Bapu? Anyone? Okay, let me give one clue. He is our father of nation. Anyone? No idea? Okay, my dear children, I will show his picture. Who is he? He is our father of our nation. His name is? Yes, very good, my dear children, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Yes, this is Gandhi ji. His birthday is on 2nd October. We lovingly call him Bapu. Okay, my dear children, now tell me your birthday date and month. Ask your mom and tell me which is your birthday date. Wow, very good, my dear children. My advance and belated birthday wishes to you, my dear children. Okay, do you have any pet name? Because Gandhi ji, we lovingly call him as Bapu. His name is Gandhi ji. We lovingly call him as Bapu. So, I am asking you, do you have any pet name? Yes? Wow, very good. Cute name, my dear children. Okay, let's see our lesson. Today, we gonna see about Gandhi ji. Okay? Okay, my dear children, let's see. My dear good children, have you seen any small girl in this screen? Yes, this girl is gonna meet our Gandhiji. Okay, let's see what happened there. Once a little girl went to see Gandhiji. Once a little girl went to see Gandhiji. This girl went to see Gandhiji. She heard here that Gandhiji was a famous man. She heard here that Gandhiji was a famous man. She heard that Gandhiji was a famous man. So, she went to meet Gandhiji. She thought that he would be wearing nice clothes. When she saw him, she was surprised. Bapu was wearing only a dhoti. My dear children, normally we also think if we gonna meet our president or principal, normally we think, okay, just guess, we are gonna meet some higher officers. What we think? Definitely we think that person will wear very nice clothes, high rated clothes, like that we think, right? Same like us, this small girl also think that this famous man Gandhiji would be wearing nice clothes. But when she saw him, she was surprised. Why? Why she was surprised? Because Bapu was wearing only a dhoti. Okay, what is meant by dhoti? You don't know that? Okay, let me show the picture, my dear children. Wait, let me show.
Dear children, have you seen Gandhiji in this picture? Yes, he is Gandhiji. He wore dhoti. This is called dhoti. Okay, my dear children. Now, Gandhiji smiled on seeing the girl. Okay, now this girl is started to talk with Gandhiji. Okay, let's see the conversation between the small girl and Gandhiji. Now, the small girl asking, Bapu, why don't you wear a shirt? My mother can make a new shirt for you. The small girl asking to Gandhiji, Bapu, why don't you wear a shirt? Because Gandhiji didn't wear shirt, right? Only he wore dhoti. So the small girl is asking why you don't wear a shirt. And also she is telling, my mother can make a new shirt for you. So Gandhiji replied, thank you, my child, you are very kind. Thank you, my child, you are very kind. Why Gandhiji is replying like this? Because this little girl asked, why you didn't wear shirt? My mother can make a new shirt for you. Like that she is telling. She can make a new shirt. She will buy and give for him. So this Gandhiji is replying, thank you, my child, you are very kind. Then also he is telling, my brothers and sisters don't have clothes to wear. How can I wear a shirt? My brothers and sisters don't have clothes to wear. How can I wear a shirt? Now Gandhiji replied to the girl, my brothers and sisters don't have clothes to wear. He is telling his brothers and sister didn't have clothes to wear. Then how can I wear a shirt? Like that he is asking. Now this small girl replied, how many brothers and sisters do you have? My mother will make clothes for them. Again this little girl is telling, how many brothers and sisters do you have? Like that she is asking. Then also she is telling, my mother will make clothes for them. Gandhiji replied, I have hundreds of brothers and sisters. I have hundreds of brothers and sisters. Just guess, my dear children, if we have hundreds of brothers and sisters means what will happen? Okay, now tell me, how many brothers and sisters do you have? 1, 2, maximum 3, right? Yes, but for Gandhiji, he have hundreds of brothers and sisters. From this picture, what do you understand? First of all, this little girl is be kind with Gandhiji, right? Yes, my dear children, same like this girl, we should be kind to others. Then,
my dear children, same like this small girl, you should be kind to others, okay? How you can be kind to others? How can you show your kindness to others? You all are small kids, right? You can show your kindness to your friends, your family, your siblings, your neighbors, okay, my dear children? If someone needs your help, you can show your kindness to them, okay, my dear children? Okay, what happened next? Again, the small girl started to talk with Gandhiji. Now, she is telling so many brothers and sisters. So Gandhiji replied, yes, my child, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. Yes, my child, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. That means Gandhiji have hundreds and brothers and sisters, he told, right? That means all Indians. He told about all Indians. We all know that pledge, no? We all used to say our pledge, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. But Gandhiji is following that in his own life. So, then again he is telling, many of them do not have clothes to wear or food to eat. They are very poor. until each one of them has clothes to wear, I will only wear this dhoti. Because so many Indian peoples, they didn't have clothes to wear and food to eat. They are very poor. Because of that reason, Gandhiji was wearing this dhoti. Until each one of them has clothes to wear and food to eat, Gandhiji didn't wear nice clothes. Only he wore dhoti. Here, what do you understand? Gandhiji also be concerned to other people, right? He is thinking other people as their own brothers and sisters, right, my dear children? Because of that reason, he didn't wear nice clothes. He is wearing only dhoti. Yes, my dear children, same like this, we should be concerned to others. We should think about others, okay, my dear children. Don't be a selflessness, okay. Don't be a selfish, okay, my dear children. We should be kind to others and think about others, and we should help. How can we help others? We can, if you have 2 pencils, you can give your pencil. If you have more clothes, you can give your clothes to others. If you have more foods, you can give your foods to others. Like that, you can help, okay, my dear children. Keep in your mind, don't be a selfish, okay? We should be kind to others. This is the moral for our lesson. From this story, we learn how can be kind to others, okay? Let's see what's the moral value. So, my dear good children, what's the moral value we learn from this lesson? Selflessness, concern for others. Selflessness, concern for others. What is meant by selflessness and concern for others? Concern more with the needs and wishes of others than with our own wish. Okay, my dear children? Concern more with the needs and wishes of others than with our own wish. When we think about others, when we give more importance to others' wish than our wish, that is selflessness. Okay, my dear children. So, hereafter, my dear good children, you all are gonna be a selflessness children. Yeah, very good, my dear children. Okay, now I am gonna ask you few questions. Okay, now tell me, what is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, very good. This is our national flag. National flag of our country. This is our national flag. Okay. How many colors are there? How many colors are there in our national flag? There are 3 colors in our Tiranga. Okay. Can anyone tell me this tricolor stands for what? Do you know? Okay, what are the colors? Can anyone tell me? What are the colors are here? Yes, the first one is saffron. The first one is saffron. Then white. Very good. Then green. Yes, very good, my dear children. Okay.
See, what
this color stands for. Okay. Now we gonna see what this color stands for. Do you know, my dear children, our national flag gives good message for us. There are 3 colors in our national flag, right? 3 colors stands for specific meaning. Okay, first of all, we gonna learn about saffron. Okay, saffron means the first color. The first color stands for courage and sacrifice. The first color stands for courage and sacrifice. Then second color is white. Have you seen any white color here? Yes, last one. Yes, white colors means peace and honesty. Peace and honesty. Then the third color is green. Fine, where is the green color here? Yes, here it is. The green color stands for faith and fertility. Faith and fertility. In our national flag, one small chakra will come in center of our national flag, right? Yes, that stands for law and progress. That stands for law and progress. Our national flag, that means our country is India. India's national flag teaches to be honest, peace, courage, sacrifice and faith. Already we learned from our lesson to be kind to others. Be a selflessness children, right my dear children? Yes, we saw about Gandhiji today, right? Yes, take Gandhiji as our role model and live like us a Gandhiji. That means we should be kind to others and we should think about others. Okay, my dear children, because so many people, they didn't have one meal and they didn't have food. They didn't have food to eat. They didn't have clothes to wear. So think how blessed we are. We have more clothes to wear. We have more foods to eat, right? So we should say thanks to God and be kind to others. Okay, my dear children, again and again I am teaching you how we should kind to others. Already in our last lesson we learned, right? Anu helps Ali. Do you remember? Yes, Anu helps Ali to get up, right? Yes, same like that. We should be kind to others and we should be a helpful creature. Okay, my dear children. Okay, hope you all enjoyed well and you all understood, right? Yes, my dear children. Okay, I will send the notes through WhatsApp. You should copy the notes in your moral notebook and do homework and activity. Then take a snapshot and don't forget to send me. Okay, my dear children. So, today let's wind up our class till we meet in our next class. Be safe, stay home. Thank you. Have a nice day.